Hello Internet and welcome to Unbox Surgery. Today let's talk about foldable phones. Recently, Galaxy and Huawei announced their foldable phones for this year, which is the Galaxy X Fold, or let's call it Galaxy Fold, and Huawei Mate X. Both are foldable phones. They have the same concept, but the approach is totally different. Well, the Huawei Mate X have the screen from the outside, while the Galaxy Fold is the screen from inside. Just like the old Nokia communicator, if you know what I mean. And they look fancy and they look gorgeous, fantastic, and futuristic. And the usability of those two phones are really fantastic. You cannot complain, except for the huge price. But there was one thing I think that most people forgot to mention, or nobody discussed it before, which is the repairability and the durability of both phones. So first, let's focus on the durability of both phones. The Huawei Mate X will be the least durable in this case because, the screen is from the outside on both sides. So whenever you fold the phone, the screen will be from the back and from the front. So there's a double chance that you can break the screen compared to any typical phone. And you don't know how the replacement will be. Well, you just replace the screen, because the screen looks like cannot be removed without removing the folding mechanism. But if you look at the Galaxy Fold, the screen is from inside, so whenever you close the phone, the screen won't be visible. So whenever you drop the phone or something hit it, it will hit the outer shell of the phone. So at least this phone will be more durable than the Mate X. And both companies assure that the folding mechanism that helps the phone to be held together and fold flat is very durable. Yes, like it is 100,000 times can be operated. I don't know, but this is just a number. Whenever you just try to fold the phone in and out, this is the normal operation of it. But how much it can sustain a shock. Like for example, you drop the phone again and the shock from the fall didn't crack the screen, but it damaged the folding mechanism. And the moment that you try to fold your phone outside or inside, it will stuck. So for the durability, there's a lot of questions that need to be answered. And the only way to answer them is by trying the phone. As for the next point, repairability. How on earth repair shops will be able to open the phone? Well, we have phones that are glued from the back, so heating them will be an easy job and removing it is no problem, or opening them. But how do you remove or open those phones now, if the screen is both sides of the phone, or the phone is just one piece? In the Galaxy Fold, it seems to be easier to be repaired. Easier compared to the Huawei Mate, of course, but it's not easier overall. But it is easier, as it seems from the picture or the videos that we had, is that the phone have both glasses on the back of the phone when it is closed. So maybe those glasses can be removed easily with a heat gun. Well, we have to wait for iFixit to do the teardown. Looking at the Huawei Mate X, this is very problematic. Where can you start operating or opening the device? The screen is on the back and on the front. So you hit the screen and remove it first? Well, we don't know. Again, these are all questions that can be answered once we have the phones in our hands as a users or as a consumers and try to mingle with them a little bit. From what I'm seeing, it is a bit scary because this is the future that we are seeking. More usability but less repairability and durability. This is the phones that we are using nowadays. But overall, I'm very happy that Samsung and Huawei are pushing the boundaries for the next future. The foldable phones. A phone with a small footprint but a big screen. Well, I can see Apple is doing that now. Anyway guys, concerned about the foldable phones. Thank you for watching.